afternoon. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2026. I'm here at 432 Marina. We had a concern about the water line here on Mii Amo. The last hull cleaning on this boat was April 9th, was actually 2 full weeks ago. So we're going to do a little bit of a before video. I know there's going to be growth on it, so we're going to do an after video. But I'm going to go ahead and go through and show you exactly why there's growth on it. So let me go ahead and do the before video. At the end of the before video, I'll go ahead and I'll tell you why, and then we'll do our after video. Alright, so that's your water line. That is 2 weeks after growth. We do have you on a 4-week schedule, which means this is halfway through your normal cleaning time. We are getting into the hotter weather, so we're like right in the middle of springtime, and this water's roughly in the mid 70-degree time or temperatures. That mixed with this being the predominantly sunny side of your boat is going to be the perfect weather for this growth here. If you saw on your port side, you didn't have a lot of growth, you just had a lot of dirt that was on that water line, and that's why, because you didn't have a lot of the sun shining directly here on the boat. So I am going to clean this up. I'll do an after video. After I clean it up, I'm going to make sure that there's notes in our system for the next 2 cleanings. So you're going to get one in 2 weeks that has a before video of your water line to where you can see the growth, and then a full 4-week